Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Welcome back to the Hair Lounge. Today we're talking all about, you might have guessed it, eyelashes. I do not have any on right now, but I'm going to show you a really fun new lash company that has amazing lashes for a really good deal. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Let's talk all about false eyelashes. I will tell you, eyelashes really frame your face. Not saying you have to wear eyelashes every single day, but if you do put on an eyelash, and if you've ever worn eyelashes, you know what I mean. It makes you look more awake, your eyes look brighter, and it really does finish out your makeup look, even for day or night. So I am going to talk all about Standout Beauty and their Insta-Lash. This box is super pretty, and the nice thing is everything you need comes in the box. So you have 3 styles of eyelashes, an applicator, and clear and black eyeliner, which is just wild because a lot of times you have to buy that stuff separate. The way this company does their eyelashes is they have 3 different collections. One is a short length, which is called Brave. Another one is their medium length, and that is called Beautiful. And then the last one is the long length, and that one is called Bright. So I have Beautiful and Bright. I don't have Brave because I do really like lashes, and so I like longer lashes so they stand out. But all you have to do is decide if you want a short length, medium, or long length, and then you get 3 different styles in it. So this is the Bright, so you get a natural style up on the top. You get a cat eye, which is shorter on the inner corner, and then it flares out on the out corner, and then you get a glam lash. So it is everything you need for every style that you're looking for, all in one kit. Now we're going to talk all about the liner. So you will also get the 2 different types of liner. So depending on if you want more of a glamorous look, you get to do the black side of the liner. If you want to do more of a natural look, and don't mind my nails, they are busted, I know this. But if you do want more of a natural look, you will just use the clear side. So one really cool thing about it, the black liner is a dual technology liner. It is not adhesive, but it also is not magnetic. It's both of those in one. Your clear side is just going to be the adhesive. So on the back of the lashes, you are going to have tiny little magnets on it. And when you use this black side of the liner, it really helps to get that lash sucked into your eyelid right where you put that liner, so it stays really well. You've seen a previous video from me before about magnetic eyelashes. I did love those, but honestly, they did not stay on super well the more you use them. The magnets kind of lost their magnetizing effect, and so they seem like they lost kind of that really strong hold. And this, since it does have adhesive in it, it makes it a lot easier. It does have a really strong hold, and don't you worry, I'm going to put them on and show you just how strong they are. Okay, so you guys ready to see these puppies in action? Now is a perfect time to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. I really greatly appreciate all the support, so go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. And you know what? If you end up really liking this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and makes me know that you guys are loving all these videos. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm gonna do my beautiful lash. One nice thing, you can trim these. I have worn them before because, like I said, I really like them, and I don't have to trim them. They do fit my eye. I like the fact that it goes all the way to the inner and all the way to the outer corner of my eye. So we're just gonna roll with it. We're gonna get up close and personal. So shake it up to make sure you're mixing everything in that liner. You guys will notice I kind of look to the side so I can look in my mirror because it's hard to do it in the camera, but you do not have to be perfect with liner, which is really nice because that band does hide a shaky line. So don't worry about being perfect if you're not good at liquid eyeliner. And we're gonna go natural today. So we're gonna do our Beautiful collection, which is the medium length, and we're gonna do the most natural lash in it. It's still super long, fluffy, and beautiful, but this is what the tip of that brush looks like. Very, very thin, super smooth application. So let's get to it. So I do like to pull my eye tight. I do have fairly good eyelashes, and so I have to kind of get those eyelashes out of the way when I do my line. Start on the middle part of your actual eye so you do not get a big glob of product on the outer or inner corner. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you're getting it as close to your lash hairs as possible. And that is going to give you that super seamless blend of your natural lashes and the false eyelashes. And like I said, with this black dual technology eyeliner, the magnets really help pull that lash or the false lash up to your real lashes. Another thing you want to make sure you are getting it all the way to where the lash is going to attach. If you do not have product there, your lash will lift. So you want to make sure you get the outer corner really well and the inner corner. So I'm going to make sure I get enough product on that outer and on that inner corner. You do not have to do more than one coat on it. Just make sure wherever that lash band is touching, you have product there. So now I have mastered these lashes without using the applicator. There is an applicator. I will use that after I get this lash on so you can see how it looks. But let's check out this gorgeous lash. So again, this is the Beautiful Collection, the most natural lash, still very full and very curled. You can see kind of that curl on the edge. And let's apply. I like to hold it from the tips of the hairs, and I kind of press it right in the middle first. Kind of close my eye a little bit so I can get up and over my eyelashes, and then just rest it right on the top of that line. And then you're gonna kind of wiggle it in so it gets close up. That's it, you guys. Super, super easy. And then I just let it sit. You do want to go back in because, like I said, it's the dual compression technology. And so you do have to squeeze the lash onto that line so that way you get that super strong hold. And that's when I use my applicator. But we're going to go to the left side. So again, make sure that liner is mixed up and start on the inner corner of your eye. I'll show you. My line is not perfect whatsoever, but that is okay because that band really does hide it. Grab our other lash. And I will tell you, since I have worn these lashes, they are curved very well, but you do want to make sure you loosen up that band and get it a nice C curve. You can see how that band is very curved. When you take these out of the box, a lot of times they're very stiff, and the lash does not have a good curve to it. So you want to make sure you kind of bend between those magnets and get a nice C curve. Now let's take it to the lid. Wiggle it up nice and close to that line. Super easy. Now we're going to take the lash applicator, this fun little, looks like a tweezer, and we are going to squeeze that lash onto that line that we did. You kind of have to go up and over those lashes because those lashes are very long and curled. And then you're just going to squeeze it right onto that liner. Okay, and then I personally like to take the lash and really push it up into that line, so then you get it really snug up against your lashes. And then I will take my finger and really just make sure you're squeezing it all together. I definitely feel like I can feel it better whenever I'm using my finger versus the applicator. So I'm going to go through on this other side. Like I said, just really squeeze it together. See, I didn't let it dry enough, so I did get black stuff on my finger. So just know if you don't let your line dry, you will get that dual technology liner on your fingers, but it rubs off pretty good. And then push it real snug up against that line. So you guys, look at the difference of my eyes. Like I said, it just really shapes your face and makes it look bright, open. You kind of look more awake whenever you're wearing a lash. I'm gonna close my eyes so you guys can see. Super, super pretty. Let me turn to the side. Aren't those gorgeous? So now let's check the hold, because really that's what it's all about. So we'll get up close and personal, and I am just gonna grab the tips of the lashes. You guys saw my lashes are not that long. I'm gonna grab the tip of this and look at that. It does not, like I can pull my whole lid, you know, down and up. It's not going anywhere. I'll show you on the other side. So once you really smush or squeeze those lashes onto that line, they really honestly stay really, really well. I can't feel them. I can feel the lashes tickle kind of the inner corner of my eye, but like I said, I like that it goes the full length of my eye. So I have lashes that are going all the way into the inner corner, so it looks a lot more natural. So leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think of these lashes. If you like these lashes, if you want to try kind of the dual technology, magnetic, but adhesive. It's kind of a cool concept, honestly. I have not seen a lash do that before. And the hold is super, super ridiculously strong. And I will tell you guys, I am an affiliate for this company. And so if you would like to get your very own lashes, I will put my link down below. And if you have questions about which style or collection you should choose for yourself, leave me a comment. I'm happy to help. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.